Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.5% against the yen. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 4% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The sudden drop in oil, sparked by the dramatic events involving Silicon Valley Bank and Credit Suisse, has unsurprisingly led to a reassessment of recession risks and the potential impact on global oil demand. Japan and Germany agreed to coordinate closely on financial jitters stemming from problems among Western banks, while carefully monitoring global markets and economy, a Japanese finance ministry official said. Sterling rose against the dollar at the end of last week after a series of lifelines for struggling banks helped restore some investor confidence.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, Japan's producer price index at 0700 hours GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance will be released at 1000 hours GMT, Germany's German Buber monthly report at 1100 hours GMT, the UK's Rightmove house price index at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.